So you've got a new single.
Yes.
Yes, we've got to get into the new single. Tell us about it.
So the new single is called It's All About You, which is what purpose is. You ask God, okay, what is this all about? And really it's about Him. You know, you created the heavens and the earth. We are here to just glorify Him, and that's what the song is about.
Amen.
Yeah.
So Tariro neGitare performing her new single on The Breakfast Club. Take it away.
It's all about you. Heavens and the earth you created. The day and the night you separated. The Spirit of Jehovah over waters. It's all about you. When you said, let there be light, in an instant everything was bright. Suddenly we know there's day and night. You are holy. Every knee shall bow before your throne, and every tongue confess and make you known. Yahweh, you are seated on the throne. You are mighty. You sent your Son so He can set us free. Because of you, we live in liberty. You made a way, you parted every sea. It's all about you. Yesterday, today, you are the same. Tomorrow we will still proclaim your name. You covered every sin and every shame. It's all about you. You alone are Lord and you are King, and all the praises to you we sing, and all the glory belongs to you. You are holy. Every knee shall bow before your throne, and every tongue confess and make you known. Yahweh, you are seated on the throne. You are mighty. You sent your Son so He can set us free. Because of you we live in liberty. You made a way, you parted every sea. Dimi mambo, dimi mununuri, dimi mambo, dimi mununuri. It's all about you. Yeah.
It's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Trying to hold back some tears right there.
I'm telling
but
you.
Yeah, it's all about Him.
Yeah.